Okay, what I think I'm going to do is add padding to the text, or actually to the boxes, okay, on both sides. So it moves it away from the edges on both sides. So I'm going to go to my articles and I'm going to do padding 20 on both sides. And keep in mind that these are twins. So when I come back and I go to my article width, I'm only going to need to do 460. Okay, so I've got that. I'm going to go ahead and preview. There we go. All right, let's continue on. I also want to make sure that this is at least an H3. This was an H1, maybe this is an H2 or an H3. So I'm going to go ahead and do that next. So I'm going to go ahead and select over that, and right now it's a paragraph. So I'm going to open up my property palette and I'm going to set that first line of text there to an H2. Okay, I'm going to do the same for this one, H2. Again, the text inside is not a twin, it's rather the boxes are twins. I'm going to go ahead and style those. Actually, maybe I'll come back and style those. Okay, let me think about what else I want to do. I know I need more space in between here. Let me go ahead and handle the paragraphs first. So I'm going to put my cursor right in here. I'm going to add a selector for the paragraph tags. Again, because it's a tag, it's going to affect anything that has a paragraph tag. Both articles have a paragraph tag. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to go to type and I'm going to pick a font family, Gill Sans, font size, maybe I'll do 16. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the H3s now. So I'm going to make a selector for, I guess I called it an H2. And font family, Gill Sans, text size, how's that look? Way too big. Let me do 20. That's better. All right. I also want to make sure that I'm formatting my H1, so I'm going to create a selector. Oh, actually, I already did that. Maybe I didn't. Oh, I centered it, but I never went and changed the font family. Okay, let's try something slightly different with that. Let's go to the text properties, font family. If you want to use a web font, you certainly can do that. If you want to stick with Gill Sans, that's fine as well. But this time I'm going to do a web font, so I'm going to click on Manage Fonts. Opens up this dialog box, the Adobe Edge web fonts, and I wonder if there's one called Cat. Nope, too bad. All right. Again, you can pick the style you want. I don't know which one to pick. I don't know. I'll just stick with this one. And I'm going to pick, this is kind of pretty. I'll pick that one. And I'm going to select it. Now when I go back into font family, I have that one that I can apply. Keep in mind, this is a web font, so you're not going to see what it looks like until you actually preview on the web, which I'm going to do right now. I'm going to close this and click the preview button, save. I'm not sure I like it or not. Anyway, you can make a better choice than I did. Okay, maybe I'll change this to my cool cat page. All right. Too many O's. All right. Now what I want to do is I'm looking down here at my footer. I can't see the footer text because it's black on black. So I'm going to go ahead and deal with the footer text. Okay, and I'm noticing now, because this was the filler text, that it does not have any formatting. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my properties palette. Again, I just chronically close these palettes. You might have yours open already. And I'm going to apply, I could do a header to it. I think I'll just do a paragraph and just show you something. All right. I'm going to go ahead and open up my CS Designer. Okay. Now, I'm targeting the one that's in the footer. So this P tag is targeting the paragraphs in the article. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. This one, this is called specificity. Okay, if I just had a simple P tag, it would find all the P tags and apply the same formatting. But since this one is more specific, I can target just the text in the footer. I'm going to go to the text properties. I'll stick with Gill Sans, color, I'm going to make it white so it stands out, and I'll go ahead and center that text. Okay. Maybe I want to, let me preview to see what this looks like, but right now it's really close to the edge. Yeah, I want to move that text down a little bit. Okay, and I will add text layout properties, and I'm going to add some padding, move it down a little bit. All right, I'm not super happy about some of my color schemes, but hopefully, again, you made better choices than I do. Maybe I want to do something fancy with the background here, meaning maybe I don't want it white, maybe I want to have an image back there or a color. That's going to be up to you. All right. That would be the body tag. So I'm going to go ahead and add the selector, body, go to the background properties. Again, you could add an image. If you have a nice image that you might want to integrate, you could do that. I'm just going to pick a simple color. I suppose I should go more in the green range. All right.